guys! It's me again. Welcome back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Kamusta po ang lahat na nandito ngayon? At I'm just keep hoping and praying na maayos po kayo despite of everything. Yeah, so just always stay safe po and doble ingat, of course, at talaga pong hindi na maiwasan ang mga nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran ngayon. So, God bless everyone and always take extra care po. Yeah? So, anyway guys, nandito na naman po ako sa panibagong isi-share kong vlog, which is about the unboxing po ng aming OLED TV, which is the Z950 series, which is the Panasonic po. So, disclaimer lang po, this is not a sponsored video, yeah. I just wanted to share to you how it looks like, the quality, yeah, and everything. And at the same time po, I am not bragging, yeah, or nagmamayabang po about this. It's a matter that I'm just excited and of course happy din po kasi po isa po ito sa mga dream ng asawa ko, yeah. So, we decided that hopefully this is already the last TV we will have, yeah, for the rest of our stay here. I mean, you know. So, anyway, balikan po natin. This is based on our experience, of course, as we already use it for how many days, yeah. And of course, hindi lang po sa yung asawa ko ay bumibili ng mga bagay, not just decision niya na magkaroon ng ganito or what. It's a matter na first thing po na tinitingnan niya at syempre ako rin po ay yung reviews niya in general. If okay ba siya or good quality and a lot more, yeah, of course. Kahit naman po sino, 'di ba? Lahat po ay tinitingnan muna ang mga reviews ng bumili ng ganitong bagay or appliances or something like that, yeah. So, na-notice lang po namin as based on our experience, this OLED TV is really, which is the 950 series, is really good quality, yeah, very nice, yeah, the picture is amazing. The quality of the picture is really amazing po talaga. At saka, excellent quality of the OLED screen niya. And of course, the sound is very good and it's easy to set up po talaga siya. Yeah, as what you've seen in this vlog of mine, yeah, a quick sharing of mine, yes. And the quality of the pictures are really fantastic po talaga. Even my husband said, it's one of the best, yeah, this kind of OLED TV. And this is a series that was 2000, that was last year, yeah. So, we really decided to have it and it's his dream, yeah. And para po talagang nasa cinema kayo, something like that. But anyway, meron po kaming projector din dito sa bahay. That one po, ayan, above, it's a projector. But we seldom use it, yes, because it takes so many things to, you know, if you are watching on laptop, you need to connect that, of course, and that's the projector above, yeah. So, finally, my husband decided really to have this OLED TV, yeah. So, ito lamang po ang masishare ko sa inyo and hope that you will enjoy watching the quick sharing of my video with regards to this OLED TV, yeah. So, marami pong salamat and please stay tuned. It's me once again, Jeanette's Lifestyle.
Okay, that's one. Oh, look how thin is the TV.
Oh, really?
Oh my God.
So it's full of styrofoam.
The TV is so thin. Oh my gosh. But it's only half of the TV so thin. Styrofoams are huge. What did we get? You see the TV is not that big. It's just until here.
Yeah, it's just time to remove all this styrofoam.
Oh, this was styrofoam, but yeah, this is very good cut TV.
Yes, it's very thin.
Yeah, indeed. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I see it's like 4 millimeters on the thing.
So what
Does
now?
it say? You hold it, please.
Yeah.
For a while.
Yeah, PB will help also, Daddy. This is the leg.
Very heavy. Very.
There you go. Finally, we put the TV on the leg. This is the front. PB, excuse me.
Help!
Yeah, it's much smaller than I.
Yeah, they are small.
What screwdriver we need for them?
Dada is putting the screw.
That's moving! Now I need to hold it, Mommy.
Dobra. Okay.
Ah, and this one is also for, you put cable here
Yeah.
and then you cover it after you put cable, so the cable will go, you know,
Yeah. What cable for?
from here, I think.
Uh,
How to open this?
so we put it finally on the table.
There is a foil, yeah, but
On the TV stand. It's quite heavy, especially the TV stand. Or the
the foil
TV.
is just here.
So we'll see later how it works.
I wanted the
Dada is trying to take off the plastic.
Here.
Daddy, be careful.
I am careful.
This is Daddy's dream
OLED TV.
The-
Yeah.
to have
Mommy,
an OLED TV.
it's not dream.
So it will be
It's not
our
dream. It's not dream.
last TV ever.
It's not dream.
No more new TV to come.
Why?
This is our final TV.
I want more. Every morning, the birds
This is how it looks like now. The OLED TV. Looks like we are in cinema.
It is an astonishing daily